Hey guys, I'm Tyler with Covered 6. We're here in the Covered 6 Patriot Center, and I'm going to talk to you today about the Covered 6 IFAK. This is a Condor Outdoor EMT Rip-Away Light pouch, and it comes with everything that I'm about to show you. It has the North American Rescue Cat 5 tourniquet, it has EMT shears, Israeli bandage, an NPA, 2 hyphen chest seals for entry and exit wounds, 2 Acrylics gauze bandages, and 2 sets of gloves. So what we love about this, it's super compact, it's got everything that you need. It's perfect for your vehicle, for your go bag, for your gun belt plate carrier. It's a standard IFAK for all of our employees here at Covered 6. We train using this, we use it on the range, our daily lives. It's a perfect setup. You can find it on our website at covered6.com. Just remember, when seconds count, help is only minutes away.